Hi, this is my microwave, and this is why it sucks. Frozen vegetables. Directions: 4 to 6 minutes cooked on high. Let's just put it for 7. Hey, I heard a ding. I guess my vegetables must be done. Still frozen. Let's try another 7 minutes.
It'll be a serious honor.
It is time to go, my sons. Donatello, we shall wait by the scepter every 12 hours, as you have instructed.
Ah, correct, Master Splinter. But the space-time continuum will be out of phase after 60 hours.
Wait a second. Time out. Now, what does all that mean in American?
If we don't come back in 2.5 days, we're turtle soup.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Bummer.
So, still cooking. Yep.
You know, there is one little improvement.
We're talking franchises here, bud. All you gotta do is keep your delivery to under 30 minutes. Let's see what we got here. We got a pizza. Got that, dude? Pizza. Frisbee. Also cool.
Who frisbeed me in the face?
I'm out of here.
I hear it's steaming. Let's see if it's done this time. What do you know? It is. Well, that only took 12 minutes to cook.